Welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be drawing a 3D pencil illusion of a pencil suspended all by itself writing. For this tutorial we will need ruler, pencil, B pencil, white charcoal, black charcoal, fine line rubber, standard rubber, Sharpie colour of your choice, black Sharpie, fine liner and smudge stick. So let's get to it. So take your A4 piece of paper and fold it in half, like so. I'll turn it back round the other way so we can see our line in the middle. Take your long ruler, and what we're going to do is we're going to draw a diagonal line around about 18 centimetres long, and we're going to join it at the crease of our paper, like that. Now we're going to make another diagonal line, which is going to be around 9 centimetres. And make this diagonal line a little bit steeper than that one. And we're going to draw another line parallel to this line, quite close together, probably 3 to 4 millimetres away from it. And another one next to that, like so. Make sure they join right up to the crease of the paper, and then draw another line coming down on the bottom left hand angle, and the same like that. And go to the top of the paper, and what we're going to do is we're just going to round off the top like so. So when you're ready, get your black Sharpie and do the tip of the pen or the end of the pen in black, and then we're going to mark black Sharpie down the inside lines. You can use your ruler if you want to make sure you don't spill out onto your paper. Go to your centre line and mark down roughly around 2–2.5 centimetres. Make a dot and then draw that in like so, because this is going to be the tip of your pencil, the point of your pencil, like that. Get it nice and tidy with the ruler. And then we're going to fill in this bottom bit here with a fine liner, like so. I'm using a 0.5 millimeter fine liner, and I'm just going to draw around the pencil line on the outside as well. Get your pencil, and what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from the centre line again here through to the point, and then we're going to just shade that in. At the moment I'm just using a standard pencil, blender. Get the smudge stick, probably won't need to add any pencil to this, and blend this side in. We're going to go a little bit higher on this side because we're going to make it look like our pencil has been quite roughly sharpened. You can get the B and add a little bit more depth here. First of all, I'm just going to outline the pencil line in a 0.5mm fine liner. I'm going to infill with my bright orange. Leave a little gap when you get to the top. So from the tip of your pencil, you're going to be coming up at an angle roughly about so, a little bit steeper than the other side, to the crease of your paper. So we can draw a couple of faint lines either side and then join them up with a slight point, copying the point of the pencil. So we've got something like that. So make sure the top line is a little bit steeper angled than the bottom line. So just, if you can get it to look something like that, kind of roughly curl around the top, although you don't want it too precise. And then get your B and colour in this shadow. And get your smudge stick and blend all this in. What we're going to do now is just rub out the outline of your shadow because we don't want that showing. And get your smudge stick again and starting from the middle, to stay within the middle and blend it all the way down. I'm going to add charcoal, but I don't want to add the charcoal until we've finished the writing because I'll just make a massive mess. Turn the paper around the other way, get your pencil. What we're going to do is we're going to write in, you can write in any message you want here, which is fantastic, but I'm just going to write hi. So, but we're going to do extra long letters. And when you're happy with what you've written, then you can go over it with your fine liner. Like so. Turn your picture back around the other way. Now we're going to get the charcoal pencil and we're going to add real depth of colour down the bottom. So we want quite dark shading down the bottom, blending up into the lighter shading, and the same at the top. And then get your smudge stick and gently blend that. I'm just going to add a little bit extra sharp shadow, which would be darker to the tip and the top here. And then when you're happy, you can clean up your picture, rubbing out any pencil lines you don't want. And then when you're happy, we can have a look.